Well, hello there.
Still getting the work on stuff, but we're just about to leave.
Yeah.
The filtering of all the waters. Toilet bag. I carry it. Embarrassing.
Buttercup discovered a purple mushroom. I can't even believe it. I've never in my life seen a purple mushroom. Oh yeah, it's a rushroom from Tears of the Kingdom. We had 2 big climbs of the day, and we've done them both. So now we just have a long, hilly section to Great Barrington, 9 miles. The kids walked by this tiny little snake so quietly so as not to disturb it. It's so cute. It's the tiniest little garter snake. Can't believe this, but it is raining again, and we're doing the steepest part of the climb down into Great Barrington. There's like a mile of incredibly steep descent, rocks and slippery, hanging onto trees and roots, and that's what we're doing. And it's raining. And I just can't believe it's raining again. I mean, we had like 1 day of nice weather, and now here it is raining again. Just cannot catch a break with the weather. Nah. Oh, for heaven's sakes. We're all wet. Our feet are all wet. We still have 4 miles to get to town. We're so sick of the rain.
There are so many mosquitoes right now that like it's like an invasion right now. They're like killing us. Anyway, we're like 1.9 miles away from the road that takes us to town, and it's just really hard with all these mosquitoes. We're gonna go back into the woods where there is a swamp, and Buttercup lost his trekking pole.
I can't really describe, and there's no way to show on camera how bad the mosquitoes are, but you can imagine anytime you stop moving for even like 10 seconds, you might have like 5 of them just like attacking your face because there's no bug spray on your face. It's really, really bad. Oh, this bed is one of the best. I'm so good. It's so comfortable. I'm so tired. Ugh, this kid is still so full of beans. I don't know how.